Hello, do you know what a line of symmetry is? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So a line of symmetry is where you cut a shape or an object in half and you can fold it equally, okay? So the sides would merge into one another. So for example, if I had like this, a square, okay, the line of symmetry for this one would be right down the middle, because if I folded it, the sides would form nicely into the corners. But if I had something, I don't know, something like this, okay, and then I did a line of symmetry that way, would that be correct? No, well done, it wouldn't, because if I folded this side in from here, it wouldn't fit each other, would it? There would be like a pointy bit hanging out here. It wouldn't work. And that's all line of symmetry means. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!